everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to do another cloud pour today. I really enjoyed the one from the other day so much, and I love the colors that I'm going to use the same colors because I still have some paint left. And this time I'm going to leave some negative space. So I've got my ultramarine blue from Golden and the quinacridone violet from Golden, turquoise phthalo from Golden, and iridescent gold fine from Golden. So we're going to use those on top of the white, and I will put the recipe again in the description tonight when I edit this. And I'm just going to pour some paint and some stripes along here. The base coat is down, and I'm going to tilt and see what happens and see what I feel like doing from there. I'll put on some music and let's paint. I love the colors. Again, I just love the colors. We're going to see if any more of these pearl cells show up throughout here and let it develop for a while. It's going to take a little time. So I will pause the video and I will come back to you in a little bit, and we should see a whole different looking picture. So here's the dry results of this one. This is awesome. Look at that negative space with it. And look at the different things that the paint did. I just love this. Look at how the colors are playing so nice together in those cells. Very, very cool. I do love this color palette. I do. Look at those cells with all the different colors in there. Almost looks like watercolors on the edges. Real cool. And here's the other painting that I did the other day. They look really great together. I feel like now it needs a third one on the other side with negative space. I think I'm probably going to do that too. I got a little bit of paint left, so I will probably do that. So look forward to seeing the triptych. I won't put a video up for the third piece, but I will show you the results when it's all done and resined. Well, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I hope you take some time to take care of yourself. Gosh, I really do like that. I love you all. Please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. It really means a lot. Thanks so much. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Triptych or diptych? Thanks for your support. We'll see you next time. Bye.